Good morning everyone. In last lecture we have learned some chemical properties of metals. Now the next chemical property of metal, reaction with dilute acids. Dilute means which acids contain more water. Most metals react with dilute acids to produce a salt and release hydrogen gas. What happens when metal reacts with hydrochloric acid with dilute acid? Magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride. This is a formula of magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Like this only, iron reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms a ferrous chloride, iron chloride and hydrogen gas. Some reactions of metal with dilute sulfuric acid. Now this is a formula of sulfuric acid. Magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. Calcium reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas. Students, you have to learn the formulae of compounds for this chapter. Metals such as copper, silver and gold do not react with the dilute acids. Certain foods such as curd, citrus fruits, pickles and some chutneys contain organic acids. These are therefore not stored in the vessels made of brass, aluminium, copper or iron, because the acids in these foods items form poisonous compounds on reacting with metals. Because of these are metals, copper, aluminium. Next chemical property of metal is displacement reaction of metals. A displacement reaction is that reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces or replaces a less reactive metal from a solution of its salt. For example, like magnesium. This is copper sulfate solution. Magnesium is more reactive than copper, that is why magnesium displaces the copper from its solution. Magnesium sulfate and copper, they form magnesium sulfate and copper because of magnesium is more reactive than copper. In next example, zinc reacts with copper sulfate. Here zinc is more reactive than copper. It can replace or displace the copper from copper sulfate solution, zinc sulfate plus copper. Silver does not displace copper from copper sulfate solution because silver is below copper in the reactivity series. Silver is a less reactive than copper. It cannot displace the copper from copper sulfate. Here silver reacts with copper sulfate, there is no reaction. Now what is this reactivity series? Reactivity series of the metal is a list of metals in decreasing order of reactivity. The higher the more reactive metal, and at the bottom least reactive metal. This is a decreasing order of the metals reactivity, chemical according to chemical reactivity. It means potassium is most reactive metal and gold is least reactive metal. You have to learn this order also. You can make your mnemonics to learn this activity series in serial order: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, zinc, silver and gold. It means potassium is more reactive than sodium, sodium is more reactive than calcium, and calcium is more reactive than magnesium, and magnesium is more reactive than aluminium. Means at the top the most reactive metal, at the bottom there is a least reactive metal. The reactivity series of metal is the list of the metals in decreasing order of the reactivity. The higher is the metal in the series, the more reactive it is. Now the chemical properties of non-metal. You know, carbon, sulfur, oxygen, these are the non-metals. Non-metals such as carbon, sulfur react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. They form non-metallic oxide like carbon. Carbon is a non-metal. It reacts with oxygen. They forms carbon dioxide. Sulfur is a non-metal. It reacts with oxygen and they form sulfur dioxide. These oxides means oxide of carbon and oxide of sulfur. When non-metallic oxides, when dissolved in water, they produce acids. The solution then turn blue litmus red, means oxide of carbon dioxide. When it dissolves with water, it forms carbonic salt, carbonic acid, and sulfur dioxide reacts with water, they form sulfurous acid, means they form acids. And acids turn blue litmus red. You have learnt in class 7th. Reactions with hydrogen. What happened when non-metals react with hydrogen? Non-metals react with hydrogen under specific conditions to form their corresponding compounds containing hydrogen. Examples: oxygen. Oxygen is a non-metal. It reacts with hydrogen. They form water. H2O is a water. This 2 and this 2 I have written for balancing the equation. Sulfur and hydrogen, they react together and they form hydrogen sulfide. Here nitrogen. Nitrogen is a non-metal. This non-metal react with hydrogen, they form ammonia, NH3. This is a formula of ammonia, and we have written 2 and here 3 for balancing the equation. Here chlorine. Chlorine is a non-metal. It reacts with hydrogen, they form hydrogen chloride. This is a HCl. This is a formula of hydrogen chloride. Now, unlike metals, non-metals do not generally react with water or dilute acids. Thank you. बनी हुई